In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reading list in Logseq. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible place to capture books and articles you want to read, all built with Logseq's powerful page linking system. First, open Logseq on your computer. If you're using the desktop app, launch it as you normally would. If you work in the browser, open your usual Logseq workspace. Give it a moment to load your notes so everything is indexed and ready. The key is to be in the graph where you keep your day-to-day notes, so your reading list is always just a click away. Next, head to your journal. This is the daily notes page that Logseq creates for you automatically. It's a great starting point because it's quick to access and perfect for capturing ideas as they come up. You can open the journal from the sidebar or by navigating to today's date. Think of this as your staging area, a convenient place to create new pages without breaking your flow. Now, inside the journal page, create a dedicated page for your reading list using Logseq's double bracket link. Simply type 2 square brackets, write the name of your list, and close with 2 brackets like this: reading list. As soon as you close the brackets, Logseq turns that text into a page link. Click the link to jump into your brand new reading list page. This simple trick is one of Logseq's superpowers. Double brackets create pages instantly and keep everything connected. Once you're on the reading list page, add a clear section to capture what you want to read. You can type a short heading like "to read" to keep things organized. Under that, start listing items using the same 2 bracket syntax. For example, type "The Pragmatic Programmer" or "Article Deep Work Summary." Each item becomes a page you can return to later for notes, highlights, or summaries. If the title doesn't exist yet, Logseq will create it the moment you bracket it. No extra setup needed. You can also add a quick note after the link, such as a source or why it caught your attention, to give yourself helpful context when you come back. That's it. You opened Logseq, went to your journal, created a reading list page with double brackets, and inside that page started a to read section where each title is a linked page. From here, your list will grow naturally, and every item is one click away from deeper notes when you're ready to dive in.